Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to store downloaded file on Safari. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your settings app on your iPhone, then you scroll down to Safari. Once you find Safari, then click on it, then you scroll down a little, then you click on downloads. That should be under extensions, then you click on download. Then right here you have options for you to choose the downloaded, where the downloaded file will be stored. So right here, this, if I end up downloading stuff on my Safari, they will automatically download to iCloud Drive, so which is not pretty cool by me. So I'm just going to click on my iPhone and that's it. And also remove download list after 1 day. If that's cool, you can easily set that. If you don't, maybe after successful download, you can just easily remove from the list. And if you want, you can set it to manual, so just put it on manual. So that means you have to come back here and do this yourself instead of being automatic. And that is how to store downloaded file on Safari. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.